Do you like BrightLocal? I would like your opinion on the tool BrightLocal for local SEO. Is it accurate? What do you use it mostly for? Could you give me some insights? Thank you.
Hey everyone, it's Steve. Before we jump into the answer, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Your likes really help the channel grow and reach more viewers, and you'll be the first to catch my latest videos. Now, let's get to that answer. I like it a lot. In fact, I've been using BrightLocal since 2011, so I'm definitely a fan. There's a bunch of other tools out there. I know there's like Local Falcon, which has got some great features and functionality. There's, I think, one called, I think it's Mobile Moxie that I've seen. Also looks like an amazing tool, primarily for the mobile platform. I like BrightLocal a lot. If you're working with local businesses, if you're a local business, the other big thing about BrightLocal I like a lot is it's pretty reasonably priced for what you get. All right, it's actually cheaper than I actually would expect it to be based upon what it can do. And then, of course, there are different levels if you're just a one-man shop kind of thing, or a single URL versus multiple URL versus an agency where you're running a bunch of things. But I do like the fact that it integrates into all of your primary sites. It'll do citation checking to see where you are currently listed, where you're not. It'll let you know if you are listed in the top sites. You can put competitors in and you can see where they're listed, where you might not be listed. They can even help you get listed at a pretty reasonable price, like $3 a listing, basically. It's cheap as it could be. I mean, the time it would take you to do it would be ridiculous. And you own the logins for that. It's not like if you stop working with them, you're going to lose them. They're yours to keep. You can do keyword research. It'll true your reviews. There's even like areas to set up reviews and push out reviews. If you've got clients with multiple locations, you can have all the locations put in there, and you can have keywords for each location that could track where they're showing. They do these little like local map indicators, so you can see a map for your keyword phrase, and then from a radius of anywhere from like I think it's like 0.1 or 0.1 miles to like 5 miles, little dots on the map that can show how you rank in different parts of town. What else? They've got, like I said, different tools to help you get reviews. They actually have like an outreach type thing for getting reviews. They have a little plugin, a widget you can add into your website if you're like an agency to get a local audit type thing. I like it a lot. I really do. I've been using it a long time. We've always been very satisfied with it. They continue to add new stuff like most of the other sites do out there. Yeah, we find it super valuable. It's one of the things that we set up with new clients right away. It's part of our onboarding process to get them into BrightLocal, getting them some of those citations, making sure they're in the top citation sources, making sure they're in the top data directories, and so on. So I highly recommend it. I love it. Been a big fan for a long time, but that doesn't mean the other ones are bad. Okay, but it's certainly if you're looking at the other tools that are out there, it's certainly a top-notch, top-tier tool that's been around for a long time.